What's up guys, and welcome to the 10th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about the else if statements. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so I'm going to go here and get rid of this and say printf please enter 4, 5 or 6. Then we will use scanf %i, not to forget the ampersand a, and then we can go here and say else if a equals 5, and then we can say else copy all of this else the value is 6. Okay, so now we can run this. Build succeeded. Enter 4, 5 or 6. The value of a is 4. Run it again. Enter 5. The value of a is 5. Build again. Enter 6. The value of a is 6. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.